be the very last bed test we'll do in the Philippines.
Shopping for top for me in Manila again. This time it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to stay in a bit more of a different part of town. You'll see. Stick around. Lots more to come. It's not okay.
You will ride. You will ride. That's it. That's it. Okay. Alright.
That was fun. Much negotiation, of course, as usual. And we're going the wrong way down a one-way street. Always fun.
What's your name, your page?
We'll show you later.
I'll show you on the Jet Explorers.
We'll give you a sticker.
I don't have
Right, Michael. If we live. Ah, give it a try. Coming to Bonito, and Bonito is in Chinatown, the oldest Chinatown in the world. Well, it's definitely been an experience, been a bit of fun. Tough negotiations and then fun ride through the streets. And we're here at the Red Planet. Ahead of schedule, but didn't think we're going to get here till midnight.
There it is.
There's boys, love being on YouTube.
Ano pa yung kuya? Ano po yung...
So we have arrived at the Red Planet Binondo, I think it's pronounced. Okay, room real, room 503, Red Planet Binondo. Right, the aircon's on, I think, which is good. Okay, so it's compact. It's got air conditioning, which is going. A nice, decent sized workbench for a change. Not just a double bed. And I'll take you a look at the shared bathroom in a minute.
I can see the bathroom through there. He told me it was a shared bathroom.
Kind of worried.
And how much is this place a night?
It was $40
And you're not,
Australian, about $27 US.
and you're going to show the bathroom?
Yeah, when you move.
Oh, is that shared? Oh, see. There it is.
Toilet, sink, nice and clean. Shower, it's nice and clean, good to see. 3 in 1, that's unusual. We'll give that a go. I haven't showered for a day. I wasn't going to go on a shared shower on a ferry. That wasn't happening. I do have my limitations, and I got somewhere to work, which I actually do need to do some work
And a
here.
little fridge. They've actually got a fridge.
Little fridge, yeah. Get downstairs and see if we can find some. And I thought it was a fake window, but it's actually a real window. Not much of a view, I can't see anything now, but we'll show you tomorrow probably. Not bad. Okay, the bed test.
This will be the very last bed test we'll do in the Philippines. So let's see, hopefully it's a good one.
Looks.
It's an inner spring, so it's actually, the others have been like all just like, not inner springs, so maybe it will be comfortable. I might get a good night's sleep.
Yeah, I'm sure maybe we're going to sleep after the little tiny capsule on the
Wasn't
ferry.
that small?
Yeah, you're not almost just 6 foot tall. I'm just under 6 foot. I think buildings, even though they're in disrepair, they've still got some amazing architecture. Imagine back in, I think it said over there, it was built in 1919. Imagine what that would have looked like back in the day. We're just roaming around trying to get ourselves to the Intramuros, which is the oldest part of the town, and just enjoy taking in all the old views. It's like
Not the smells though.
yeah, the smell's a bit, you're lucky we don't have smell-o-vision. It's a bit ordinary, but yeah, the water quality is not good. It's worse than Vietnam green. It's Philippine It's almost brown. Yeah. But big city. Up here is probably markets at night time, I'd imagine. Haven't been down this part of town at night.
I can imagine it would be pretty with all the lights lit up. It would be quite attractive.
There's that building we showed before.
There's that building I think is absolutely stunning though, although it's dilapidated.
Yeah.
It's just the
I'm sure it'll get a renovation at some stage when somebody takes it over. That would make a extremely good new 5-star hotel once you fix that fascia up and give it a full-on renovation. It would be amazing. You could make that something that's really special. We've bounced into the Roman Catholic Cathedral. This was built in 1581. It's in pretty good condition for its age, to be quite honest. But this is no ordinary church. Destroyed 4 times by earthquakes and then completely flattened in 1945 with the World War II bombings. It was reborn again for the 8th time in 1958 to its present day appearance. Absolutely stunning architecture in this church. It is so beautiful, and the stained glass is some of the most ornate that I've seen. So we just walked out of the church and we've got a bit of a performance going on, coming past at the moment. Not sure what it's all about. Something to do with Our Lady of Fatima. Looks like we have some of the junior up-and-coming priests coming through. He's obviously somebody very senior. He doesn't need to hold his umbrella, so he's probably one of the archbishops of the local parishes or church. Got his crown there. Might have something to do with the recent passing of the Pope, or it could be something they do all the time. I don't know. If you know, let us know in the comments. They got their own little Pope-mobile. It's not the Pope inside, it's just a replica of Mother Mary. She's being protected inside. Celebrating again. Bells are going crazy. Definitely not your average day at the Manila Cathedral. If you do know what is going on here, please let us know. I've tried to research it and just cannot find out what happened this day. So these walls are the original walls from 1781, which are built to fortify the churches and the other things inside here. So instead of crossing the crazy roads, we have a bunch of underpasses, which really do save a lot of problems. Yeah, those roads are mental upstairs. Pretty cool down here. Got some pretty cool local artwork. Not sure what exit we are. Let's check. Doesn't say walk. It says run. Yeah, not walk, run. One thing you notice differently to BGC is the amount of beggars and homeless people down here, but they just don't tolerate that in the BGC area. So it's been pretty confronting. There's been a lot, and a lot of alcohol and drug abuse associated with it.
Hey, Joe.
Seems like.
What's up, man?
Yeah, mate.
Welcome.
Another camera. So we're heading towards a market nearby.
Well, I can honestly say, besides the fact I just tripped, this really smells bad. And yeah, it's not very healthy looking, is it? So we are down here in Chinatown. You have to watch your feet. And Scotty's trying to direct us.
Fucking
And-
Google Maps. Fucking, yeah, gotta walk on water. Oh my freaking Jesus.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to walk down there. Maybe there's a little side street down here we meant to take. Okay, this guy said follow him. He said just follow him. It's obviously down here. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Take care.
Thank you. They're very helpful here. He just told us which way to go.
So we're down here in the Divisoria shopping mall, where you can pretty much buy everything possible. Clothes, jewellery, we've seen hardware, and this ain't the first level. Give a little bit of a look around. There's heaps of markets here. I'm shopping for a top for me. They're not, no sense of humour. I do like the pen. Will it fit me?
What do you want colors of it? You want
Blue. Black or blue?
navy blue?
Is that blue?
Black, yeah?
Is it large? Is
Yes.
it?
All these ones large.
Would it fit me?
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Because otherwise I don't know if it's going to fit me.
The other good thing about this shopping centre, it's all air conditioned, so it's a bonus. You can cool off because it's 36 degrees outside.
I'm going to have to put it over my top.
Some unusual fashions.
I've really got a top on.
300.
It's 300? What about? Yeah,
250. Come on, 250.
He said 300. That's
You can do 250.
Oh, really? 300.
It is.
Alright, 300.
300. Died the super negotiator. Well, we've bounced into the food hall. And we've got the short order Filipino. We've got some Bangladeshi food. Nice. We've got the old inner style barbecue chicken. Very big in this country, this brand. Reasonably priced up here. We're looking for a mango smoothie. I wonder who that's for. Chow King again. Laksa curry. Let's go check that out. Fried chicken, Jollibee. What a surprise. I'm over fried chicken. I don't want to see fried chicken again in my life. So we want one better than the mango smoothie. We got the mango graham.
Really nice.
It's got like graham crackers.
Yeah,
The other day, the one had like jellies in it too, but it's just got chunks of mango.
it's good. It's really good.
So we're in the knockoff shoe part of the shopping mall. They're not the best copies I've seen around, but they are cheap. They're like 500 rupees, which is, sorry, pesos. which is
In the wrong
10 US. So we just come across Sugar Rush corner. Check out all the sugar. Yeah, they love their sugar in Asia, like this stuff. It's just all sherbets, which is this flavoured sugar, sour balls, and in bulk. It's just crazy amount of sugar. They love it. Oh, obviously, otherwise they wouldn't be selling it. But, cream bars, cream wafers, another store over there. More like marshmallows, which is both marshmallows are 99.9% sugar and a bit of gelatin. Yeah, so now we're trying to find Chinatown Mall. Got the Chinese Buddhist
Incense.
and the disgusting rivers. They're not rivers, I think they're just building sites. They're just building sites full of water. Kids aren't, it's bubbling. It's that septic, it's just, whoa. That's some of the worst water I've ever seen anywhere, and I've been a lot of places. Whew. We're here at the Lucky Chinatown. Having a bit of a shopping day because we've been on deserted islands with not much variety of anything for a few weeks now. Not that it's a bad thing, but we're going through. Just had to go through security there. Every shopping centre has security. Don't know what they're looking for. They're not going to tell us. Some dogs just have it all. Even wearing a nappy. There's a nappy train. Oh, feisty dog. Look how tough the dog is behind glass. Where the dog goes. Tough dog. Yeah, just when you thought you'd seen it all. Yeah, you don't. Looks like they've got like an expo going on here. They're all selling new products. So they've got all these things here. They're all like cork wallet, sugarcane notebook. So it's all environmentally friendly sort of stuff. Environmental products. It's all environmentally friendly. Hello. All biodegradable, all very healthy for the environment. They need it big time here. Well, that was one wild wander through Manila. If you enjoyed coming along for the ride and you want more adventures like this, hit that subscribe button. Drop us a comment and tell us what you reckon was really going on back there, because we're still scratching our heads. And if you had a laugh or learnt something new, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more legends like you to find this channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next episode.